Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast. My name is Anna. I am your teacher. I speak slowly. I use simple words. Do not worry. You can learn English.
Hello, my name is Mark. I am a learner. I want to speak English. I am a beginner.
That is great, Mark. And hello, dear listener. You can learn with us. Please listen. Please repeat. Speak with us.
Yes, repeat with us. It is good practice.
Greetings. Today we start with greetings. Greetings are words we say when we meet people.
Yes, like hello?
Yes, very good. The first word is hello.
Hello.
Dear listener, say hello.
Say it again. Hello.
Good. Another word is hi.
Hi.
Hi is short. Hi is friendly. Say hi.
Hi.
Good. Now, good morning.
Good morning.
We say good morning in the morning. Morning is from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good. Next, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We say this after 12 p.m. Say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Very good. Now, good evening.
Good evening.
We say this in the evening. Say good evening.
Good evening.
And when we leave, we say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Or we say bye.
Bye.
Now let us practice. I say the time, you say the greeting.
Okay.
It is 8 a.m.
Good morning.
Good. It is 3 p.m.
Good afternoon.
Good. It is 7 p.m.
Good evening.
Very good. Dear listener, practice again later. Practice is important. Introductions. Now we say our name. We say, my name is...
My name is Mark.
Good. I say, my name is Anna.
My name is Anna.
Dear listener, say your name. Say, my name is...
Say it now.
Good. You can also say, I am Mark.
I am Mark.
I am Anna.
I am Anna.
Very good. Numbers. Now we learn numbers. Numbers are very important.
Yes, I want to learn numbers.
Good. We start from 1 to 10. Listen first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good. Now repeat slowly.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Dear listener, count with us.
Let's count together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Now I ask Mark, what number is this? 3.
3.
What number is this? 8.
8.
Good. Now we count from 10 to 1.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Excellent. Practice numbers every day. Days of the week. Now we learn days of the week. There are 7 days.
7 days.
Yes. Listen. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Very good. Again, slowly.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Good. Dear listener, repeat the days.
Repeat now.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
Good example. You can say, today is Friday, or today is Sunday.
Today is Sunday.
Very good. Objects. Now we learn objects. Objects are things. things around us.
Yes, I see many things.
Look at your table. You may see a book.
Book.
Say book.
Book.
I have a book.
I have a book.
Good. Next word, pen.
Pen.
I have a pen.
I have a pen.
Good. Next, phone.
Phone.
I have a phone.
I have a phone.
Good. Next, chair.
Chair.
I sit on a chair.
I sit on a chair.
Good. Next, table.
Table.
The book is on the table.
The book is on the table.
Very good. Dear listener, look around you. What do you see? A door? A window? A bag? Say the word in English.
Practice now.
Practice is very good for your brain. Food. Now we talk about food. Food is what we eat.
I like food.
Me too. First word, bread.
Bread.
I eat bread.
I eat bread.
Good. Next, rice.
Rice.
I eat rice.
I eat rice.
Good. Next, apple.
Apple.
I eat an apple.
I eat an apple.
Good. Next, banana.
Banana.
I eat a banana.
I eat a banana.
Good. Next, egg.
Egg.
I eat an egg.
I eat an egg.
Very good. Dear listener, what food do you like? Say, I like rice, or I like bread.
I like rice.
Good sentence. Drinks. Now we talk about drinks. Drinks are what we drink.
Yes, I drink water.
Good. First word, water.
Water.
I drink water.
I drink water.
Good. Next, milk.
Milk.
I drink milk.
I drink milk.
Good. Next, tea.
Tea.
I drink tea.
I drink tea.
Good. Next, coffee.
Coffee.
I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
Very good. Dear listener, what do you drink? Say, I drink tea, or I drink water.
I drink water.
Good job. Daily activities. Now we talk about daily activities. Daily activities are things we do every day.
Yes, I do many things every day.
First, wake up.
Wake up.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Good. Next, eat breakfast.
Eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Good. Next, go to work.
Go to work.
I go to work.
I go to work.
Good. Next, study English.
Study English.
I study English.
I study English.
Very good. That is important. Next, eat lunch.
Eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
Good. Next, go home.
Go home.
I go home.
I go home.
Good. Next, eat dinner.
Eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
Good. Next, sleep.
Sleep.
I sleep at 10 p.m.
I sleep at 10 p.m.
Very good. Dear listener, say your day. Say, I wake up. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I go home. I sleep.
Practice your day now.
Small conversation practice. Now we make a small conversation.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
What is your name?
My name is Mark. What is your name?
My name is Anna.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What do you eat?
I eat rice and bread.
What do you drink?
I drink water.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
Very good. Short review. Now we review. Review means we look again.
Yes, review is good.
Greetings. Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, goodbye.
Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Numbers 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Objects: book, pen, phone, chair, table.
Book, pen, phone, chair, table.
Food: bread, rice, apple, banana.
Bread, rice, apple, banana.
Drinks: water, milk, tea, coffee.
Water, milk, tea, coffee.
Daily activities: wake up, eat breakfast, go to work, study English, eat lunch, go home, eat dinner, sleep.
Wake up, eat breakfast, go to work, study English, eat lunch,